Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna see how to send money in Alipay via QR code. Well, this is really easy, really simple to do. The first step we need to do, we need to open our Alipay app right here, and then once we open this app, we're gonna click this option called Scan. Okay, we're gonna click this, and right here you can see, well. Uh, the camera of our phone will open. We need to click this option uh, called album, okay, or simply scan via camera. We need just scan the QR code or simply click in album, okay, and find an image of the QR code to scan. Okay, it's really easy, it's really simple to do. Once we scan, we're gonna see the user uh, that we need to transfer. Okay, this user right here will have this option right here, the means transfer, and then you're going to click this, and right here you can see that you can type the amount that you want to send to this person. Okay, it's really easy. You type your mom, and that is okay. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.